Hello and welcome to a Poplar Bluff Library video tutorial. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to do the mission and badge system for the children's Poplar Bluff Library summer reading program. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to the dashboard of your summer reading program account, which you'll see right here. And from here, you'll click on the missions button. And here you'll see 3 different badges that you can participate to achieve. First one is the Everyday Heroes badge, second one is the Fun badge, and the third one is the Outdoor badge. In order to actually obtain the badge, what you'll have to do is complete 5 activities. And you can see those activities by clicking on the Go to Missions. And here you'll see the activities that you can complete. One is pick up trash, another is clean up your toys, and we have several more underneath that. And so what you'll want to do is, if you've picked up trash today, you can click the Complete Now, and then you can click Complete Activity, and it shows that you've completed it. So all you have to do in order to achieve the Everyday Heroes badge is to just complete 5 of these activities, and then you'll get the badge, and that's all there is to it. And then you can go back to your missions by clicking this right here, and it shows you how far you are in getting this badge. So we've got 20% of the way done, and then you can do the same for the other badges as well. Thanks for watching.